these Prosecco bags. So we got 6 of these bags. I think with a tall vase in these bags that we will be able to display the flowers out of some of the bags. So I want to make it a little over the top. So let's do that. I am adding these pearls, pearls, because I need to add pearls to these also. Pearls, but we're going to be using rhinestones, and I'm going to use the crystal clear rhinestones. So I'm going to get to use these rhinestones. The marquee, the baguette, the cushion, the pear, the oval, the heart. These are the bigger rhinestones. I have a few of the appliques. Now, what I was thinking is, see how beautiful that is? Let me show you this. So you see, this has pearls in it. Absolutely perfect for what we're doing, right? And we could put this, I think I want them down further. We could put this right here, and then we could take, and this one actually has little sections around it that I think I can put pearls in those. Okay. This one might have little sections around it that I could put pearls in too. So we're gonna play with that. First, we're gonna add the ones that have applique. Okay. Hey, Star. This is going to glue around like that. Oh, this is gonna be so cute, you guys. No. And so imagine this is going to have a glass cylinder vase in it and fresh flowers. We want to add more pearls to this because of the theme of our party. So let me throw down a bunch of pearls. Let me just throw those out of that. I'm not going to be able to get in those very easily. And we're going to add pearls to the front of this. I'm going to concentrate on what I'm doing here. I'm going to put a crown on these bags also. So let's get crowns. These are also Totally Dazzled. This is perfect for this bag. I like that, just a single pearl on there. So yeah, I think this is beautiful with the pearls. I want to do just a sprinkling of pearls on it. Okay. B7000. I'm just gonna sprinkle some dots. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, let's do the next one. I'm not doing them all exactly alike. I have enough of this that I probably could do 2. Cut this. We're going to take this, it has a really sticky, the appliques all come with a really sticky backing. I, just for assurance, add some extra glue to it. And we're going to put a crown on this one also. Okay, we're going to put couple pearls on this crown area. Isn't that beautiful? At Hobby Lobby, they have these really fun see these pearl, they're like pearl sticker applique things. Not those. Hold on. I think I want one of those pearl stickers on there. And then we will add bling around it. I'm going to start this. I'm going to cut this plastic because you will never get that complete thing off of that plastic. And so I'm starting it like that. So now that is stuck down. Now I'm going to roll the plastic up. So that is on there. And we're going to put some crystals around this. Can you see the sparkle? So there's that bag. We're going to put that bag to the side. Oh my gosh. Then we'll do another one. Let me trim this. See this little white edging? This is what the applique is actually sewn to. You can trim that so that you can't really see it very well. Just don't clip the threads. Just don't. Now this little area, I want to see some of these. Yeah, I'm going to put pearls in these. Use these little ones and see if we like these. I also the half pearls came from Hobby Lobby. So there's that one. Look at those. This will go like that, okay. We're gonna cut. Let's put our crown on it. I think I'm gonna leave this one just the way it is. It'll be one of the ones in back. It'll be kind of covered up. Oh, wouldn't it be fun to have little gift tags hanging off of each bag? I'm going to, you guys know what I'm going to do. I'm going to fussy cut these cards. A little hole in it. I have a little piece of lace right here. Some lace right here. Now what we're going to be doing is they're going to take their bouquet, and so you still have the flowers pretty on the back side, okay? So you've got that, and they will be able to, I'm going to have vintage laces there for them to tie their bags around their flowers. So they'll have brown paper bags that have polka dots on them. They're so cute. That's what they'll put their flowers in. Then they'll tie them with some vintage lace, and they'll get to take them home. So I think to incorporate some lace in on these bags also is a great idea. So this, I'm going to put a bottle in it just so you get an idea. So, you guys, these are going to be fantastic, especially with the flowers in them. Next,
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.